Oh, hi. My name is Annabella Ramirez, and I'm in the Automotive Collision Technical Program. And so what we do is when cars get into collision or an accident or wherever, they can come here and we can all repair it so that they can be satisfied. So here on my right, this is a classroom, and here this is a whole shop. And we have another whole building on the other side near the HVAC next to welding also as well. It's the frame rack. That's where we mostly pull out frames or we can work on other projects in there. And right here, this is a whole paint booth if you want to look at it. And we also have a mixing room as well. All right, so right here, this is a paint booth. And as you can see, there's already a car in there ready to prep. Like it's being prepped to paint. And we also have other panels that need to be painted as well. And this is a mixing room. And so here we can monitor, like, we have to look for the right color or whichever color we want. It just depends. And then we just put it in the system, and this tells us how much paint we have to put in to get the exact color. And right here, this is where we mix the paints right there. And as you can see, the door is connected to the mixing room so that if you need to get your supplies, you can just go in here instead of coming right outside and bringing all dust with you. Okay, so here, this is my project along with Carlos's project. He's a junior, and the purpose of this project is that we're trying to repair this quarter panel along with the bumper that we just took off. It's on the stand, and this whole side of the quarter panel was pushed in, so we brought it out, and we're trying to like get all the high spots. That's why we mudded it. And so once we get all the high spots down, then we're gonna remud it again. So to see if there's any more, and if not, we can just keep sanding it until it's all smooth like the other side, and then we can just prep it to paint. I hope you'll consider on joining this program if you enjoy a lot of hands-on experience on cars, and this will also benefit you if you're trying to pursue a career in automotive collision. Thank you.